Okay. So, hello everybody. Today I'd like to introduce a new welding helmet G5-02. So let's unbox it. So you'll receive this box, which feels very light, and when you open it, there's a black soft bag in which you'll find the helmet. And you can also hang it because there's a handle. You can open it easily like this, and you'll find a helmet inside and soft microfiber cloth, which you can use for cleaning the glass in case you need it. So inside the bag you'll find a pocket which you can use for keeping the cloth in. Bang! This great welding helmet has curved glass with 2.5 auto darkening filter. So I removed the filter and I'm gonna show you all buttons here. So this Bluetooth button is here because you can connect to your phone. Another button is shade lock, and there's level from 8 to 12. So the shade button you use to shade the filter to whichever level you like. There is no 13 or 14 level because the filter is 2.5 DIN shade. So it's 2.5 DIN, it's very clear, and it's perfect for TIG welding. So you can use the battery for 1,500 welding hours, and look what's happening when I put it back. So this helmet was made in Sweden, as you can see, and on the front side it has got 4 very sensitive sensors, and everything on the helmet is adjustable. On the sides, when you put it on your head, you can adjust everything. So for example, if you're wearing glasses, you can adjust it to your comfort. And on the sides, you can set how fast you want the helmet to fall and to what position. So the foil here is anti-scratch, you can hear. It's very thin, and it will be for a good price. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe in the link down below, and see ya.